Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting footage into Capcut and organizing it for motion editing. Import every clip and asset you'll need, then place the main shot at the timeline start so edits flow logically. Make sure the project ratio and frame rate match your output. Mismatches cause jitter. Once done, scrub the timeline and mark key in and out points for where motion will start. This first setup saves time, so trim roughly now, and prepare to add motion to those selected segments. Now you build the motion. Select a clip and open transform or keyframe controls. Add a starting keyframe with the baseline position, scale, and rotation. Move the playhead forward, adjust those parameters to define endpoints, and Capcut will interpolate the motion. Make sure to apply easing to avoid robotic starts and stops. Ease out then ease in for natural flow. Once the motion reads well, enable motion blur and refine timing by nudging keyframes. Repeat on cut-in clips so movement feels continuous across edits. Finish by polishing and exporting. Play the sequence at full resolution and watch transitions closely. Make small timing tweaks and adjust easing to eliminate pops. Render a short test clip to verify smooth motion and correct any visual artifacts. When satisfied, export with matching project settings, same frame rate, resolution, and a suitable codec. If you run into jitter or stutter, check for frame rate mismatch, reevaluate keyframe placement, or enable motion blur. One quick fix often solves most visible motion problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.